Immersive Software Engineering at UL represents a radical change in how we teach computer science. We achieve a FastTrack Graduation, allowing for an MSc to be earned in 4 years instead of the typical 5 or 6 years. To do this, we have created a third summer semester for paid residencies, which will allow students to earn while they learn. Residencies are not typical internships. These fully paid placements are designed so students learn in the same way medical doctors do, by acquiring prescribed skills in real-world settings. Students learn at an accelerated pace during their time at UL in team-taught learning blocks, which take place in a bespoke studio setting. Our students spend 48.4% of their time in the ISE program in learning blocks studying subjects that go deep into the processes of software engineering. They spend 38.4% of their time on paid residencies with companies like Stripe, Amazon Web Services, Intercom and Analog Devices. The other 13.2% is time off. ISE students gain 6,400 hours of learning by doing, as opposed to an average of 1,500 hours in a standard IT degree. There are 5 paid residencies in the MSc Immersive Software Engineering, which collectively constitute 45% of the academic structure. Here's how it works. Students learn problem solving with computers and effective building software with others in semester 1 of year 1. They then learn data-centric computing and computation architecture in semester 2. Semester 3 will be a residency of 10 weeks. Students then kick off second year with their second residency, this time for 15 weeks. In semester 2, they will learn human-centric computing and ethical hacking before finishing second year with a third residency of 10 weeks. Students then start third year by learning scaling and computational thinking. Residency 4 takes place in the spring of year 3, and once completed, students are eligible to leave the course with a BSc. Students who choose to remain will then study research methods remotely for the summer semester in preparation for their masters. Year 4 commences with AI and machine learning, followed by software for the real world. At this point, there are no more learning blocks, and students will embark on a 5th residency, which will incorporate their ISE research project. The focus is on project-driven, peer-based learning with input from companies at all times, so that upon graduation, students will be ready for full-time employment and will not need to take up internships post-study. Find out more at softwareengineering.ie.